Hi everyone, this is Navin.
I'm Melvin.
I'm Pramod.
All the way from Coimbatore.
It was a great experience.
This is the first time I picked up a camera.
Setting up the lights, taking good shots.
Had opportunity to work with at least 3 lights.
From basics to advanced in 5 to 6 hours of time.
I got to learn things about light especially.
I just didn't expect this much the input I'll get today.
Entire setup with the dresses and everything was really very good experience.
Especially thanks to Manikandan and the photo mentor.
This is my third workshop with Mani.
I'll just recommend everyone to gain some knowledge.
I really enjoyed joining back after 6 years.
Coming to this workshop has given me the confidence to hold the camera and do my own photo shoots.